When you think about it, are humans any more deterministic than a large language model? It might sound like a strange question. After all, we're living, breathing beings with nuanced thoughts, emotions, and experiences, right? But let's consider what we actually see in research scenarios, especially in jobs to be done, customer experience, and user experience studies. Large language models, guided by carefully constructed prompts, produce remarkably consistent qualitative outputs. Sure, there may be slight variations in wording or structure if you run the same prompt multiple times, but the scope and logic remain stable. They don't wander off track because they're feeling tired, anxious, or just having an off day. Now, compare that to humans. We're subject to countless hidden biases, influences, and mental shortcuts we rarely document. One day we might interpret a user interview with a certain lens, the next we might be more distracted and miss a subtle cue. Our outputs, our analyses, are filled with variability that's hard to trace back or replicate. Is that a problem? Directionally, probably not. We value human insight, creativity, and empathy. Yet, if you're seeking precision in your research, if you demand a clear audit trail of how decisions are made, LLMs offer a level of reliability that's hard to match. Save your prompts, preserve your inputs, and you have a documented thought process ready for review. At this point in time, they are orders of magnitude faster, they are orders of magnitude more consistent, they are infinitely scalable, they cost less, and they're less invasive in your daily routine. This frees you up to pivot your thinking and scope before you even step out into the field. How often have you been asked to change your course after a round of qualitative interviews, or worse, after fielding a survey? With LLMs, you can adjust, refine, and iterate swiftly, minimizing wasted effort and expense. No, LLM outputs aren't truly deterministic like a software function returning the same result every time. But historically, humans were even less so. Think artisans and craftspeople, each doing things their own way. Today, we can preserve that nuance while still moving forward with more predictability and transparency. Nothing's perfect, and no one's perfect. And aiming for absolute perfection often misses the point. Instead, aim to get the job done better, with less friction, lower costs, and faster turnarounds. If you're looking for a differentiated approach to market research, one that delivers more predictable outcomes faster and more economically, consider incorporating large language models into your workflow.